Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today let's know about some satellites launched by our India. Before going to that, first let's see what is a satellite. Anything that orbits something else is known as a satellite. They are used for diverse purposes such as weather forecasting, television broadcasts, etc. We all are aware that there are both natural and artificial satellites. The artificial satellites are launched with the help of rockets to satisfy our needs. There are several organizations in the world to launch the artificial satellites, and one such organization is ISRO. So what is ISRO? Indian Space Research Organization, also known as ISRO, is a space agency of Government of India. It has its headquarters at Bangalore and was established by a renowned scientist Vikram Sarabhai in 1962. There are various types of satellites like communication satellites, Earth observation satellites, scientific, navigation, experiment satellites and many more. Now it's time to know the list of Indian satellites. The first satellite launched by India was Aryabhata. It was launched with the help of a Russian satellite vehicle. The main aim of this satellite is to gain the knowledge of satellite building and launching. The second satellite launched by ISRO was Bhaskar. This was the first experimental remote sensing satellite. Next comes Rohini series. It is the set of 3 satellites, namely RS-1, RS-D1 and RS-D2. They were launched on India's first SLV-3 vehicle. The Ariane passenger payload experiment was the first experimental communication satellite which was carried on a bullock cart. INSAT series. INSAT series were the next level of Bhaskar. The series includes INSAT 1A, 1B, 1C, etc. SROS, that is Stretched Rohini Satellite Series, were launched on 24th March 1987, which paved way for SROS-2 and SROS-3, launched in another 7 years. IRS series, launched on 17th March 1988, carried linear imaging self-scanning system. OceanSat, also known as IRS-P4, was launched for the purpose of oceanographic studies. Technologically Experimental Satellite TES was launched in PSLV-C3. It has chromatic camera with better resolution. Next comes Kalpana-1 METSAT. It was the first meteorological satellite made by ISRO, which was named after Kalpana Chawla. India's first educational satellite was EduSat, launched in the year 2004. Chandrayaan was the first India spacecraft sent to Moon. Its objective was to study the Moon's landscape. StatSat was India's first Pico satellite, that is, satellite which weighs less than 1 kg. It was developed by 7 engineering colleges of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Mars Orbiter mission, also known as Mangalyaan, was India's first interplanetary mission, making India the first Asian country to reach Mars. So, I would like to conclude with a great thank to our Mother India. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.